Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and I hope you had a really nice day. Even though markets were volatile, I am talking about both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty in fact at one point of the time gave up 18,600 and even Nifty Bank Nifty 43,500. It gave up 43,500. Bank Nifty was swinging like anything today. We'll talk about that later and we'll also see what trade we have taken and how much is it going to give profit in case the market is being range bound. So we'll talk in brief. Before that, let me show you the Bank Nifty chart. Of course, this is not Bank Nifty chart. This is US futures. We'll come back to US futures lately. Now, what has happened is whole day long in the first half of today's trading session, Bank Nifty was very much resistant. It never came below 43,600. In fact, I believed we took a trade at 43,600. We took a iron fly at 43,600 and we tried to manage that position very effectively. We thought since the Bank Nifty was super resilient, it doesn't want to come down. And at the same time, if you see the Nifty chart, all you can see is downward trajectory. Now, even though Nifty was coming down, Bank Nifty was not coming down at all. It was only after European markets came, Bank Nifty started coming down. It drifted towards 43,500. It went below 43,500. Once it went below 43,500, we sold a iron fly, which was we sold 43,600 call and put, and simultaneously we bought some hedges. I'll talk about that later. Once this, I never thought 43,500 will be taken out. Once this 43,500 was taken out, we had to do some adjustment, and eventually what happened is Bank Nifty reverted and settled above 43,600. So from this you can understand Bank Nifty is not ready to give up. Bank Nifty is 43,600 or let's say 43,500 is super resilient, and at the same time if you see Nifty also 18,500 or 18,500 level is super resilient. 18,600 is gone now. 18,600 is going to act as a resistance now. Previously it was a support. Last 2 or 3 trading session it was trying to go below. Bears were trying to take it below 18,600 and they have succeeded today. Now coming back to our trades, what we did is we did a 43,600 call option. We sold 43,600 put option and 43,000. Where is that? Let me take you this one. 43,700 call option and 43,700 put option. Now once we took this trade, once we saw market going below 40, I have hardly collected how much, 500 points. So 43,700, if I take this for this one, this 43,600 and 43,000 put option, my break even is around 43,250, right? Of course we have done some adjustment. This is not the first leg, but we have done some adjustment. Now once we saw market going below 43,500, our break even was around 43,250. we started panicking. Now in order to control that, what we did is, in this strategy, if you see this strategy was given live to our members. This strategy had a break even between 43,200 levels to around 44,175. Since the market came below 43,500, we bought 43,600 put option and simultaneously sold 43,000 put option. This 43,600 put option will act as a buffer for 43,700 put option. At the same time, this 43,600 put option which we have bought, this 43,600 put option which we have bought, we have spent money on that. We have spent already 284 rupees. In order to compensate that, we collected some around 100 rupees, and eventually what happened is we extended the range from 43,000 250 levels to all the way to 42,815. So the upper break even is little lesser. Before it was around 44,100. Now it has come to around 43,985. Fine, that is okay. But we have extended the range on the downside to around more than 100 or 200 or 300 points in Bank Nifty. So this is how we traded today. It was very interesting. I think most of the traders who were trading in Bank Nifty would have felt the pain. It was kind of highly volatile. In fact, India VIX shot up today more than 2% or 2.5%. And what is very much interesting is that all these days India VIX was down. US, we didn't get support from global cues. If you are aware, US markets were down by daily. I am talking about Dow Jones. Last 3 or 4 trading session, it was down by 200, 300, and even I believe day before yesterday, it was down by more than 500 points. In spite of that, our markets were really resilient, really holding. But today, what is the scene is that IT stocks, all major IT stocks, if you see here, the major dragger today was all IT index. If it was not IT index, maybe we would have gone on the higher side. I really don't know what is the reason. IT index was down by more than, I think, more than 3.5%. And HCL, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, everything, like this is the Nifty 50, and top gainers or top destroyers or top losers today was HCL Technology, Tech Mahindra, Wipro and Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry, you forget, top 3 losers today in Nifty was all IT stocks. So we really don't know what is the scene behind or why it has happened today. Anyway, we will see how things pan out on Monday. I hope even though it gap ups, or if at all it gap ups, we will try to do some adjustment. If it comes on the downside, we don't have to do any adjustment. We are free. We have a buffer till around 42,700 levels. So we don't have to worry. So whether we are going to go on the higher side or whether we are going to go on the downside is what we have to work on, or we'll have to see how it is going to work in our favor. That is the main concern here, right? Apart from that, if you see the US markets are all in the green. I'm not going to talk much about FII data, because FII data is relevant. This is end of the day data. So what you are going to do with the end of the day data? You are having a data which is already done, which is already finished. It is history now. Going forward, we have to see what data we are going to get or how we are going to manipulate those data. We are not going to get any live data, right? Whatever you are having is the old data. So we'll see how things work in our favor. That's it. Nothing much. This is a weekend. I don't want to spoil your weekend. All US futures, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, FTSE, German, France, everything is all flat, or maybe half to 1 to 1.5% on the higher side. So this is how the markets are looking like. Let us see if the strategy works out. If at all it gaps up on Monday, we'll have to break our head, or we'll have to do something or other to manage this position. So I'll finish it off here. I'll see you in another video tomorrow morning. Till then, take care. Bye.